How to make money fast online by selling informative ebooks. In this video, we'll explain how to make money by selling ebooks. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and business. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. Ebooks have become somewhat of a phenomenon on the internet because they are so easy to create, and yet they sell like hotcakes on the web. Many online business owners are earning a six-figure income selling ebooks about almost any subject you can imagine. You too can make money fast with this lucrative home business opportunity. What are ebooks? Ebooks are electronic books created in a downloadable file that can be read or printed from your computer. You can basically create one downloadable file of your written work using HTML and a basic ebook software, and then provide that one file to thousands of customers without ever printing a page. The wonderful thing about ebooks is you can sell unlimited numbers of them without extra overhead costs, and you can even promote through links inside the ebooks to sell your own products and services or affiliate products. Ebooks provide one of our least costly and most profitable methods to make money fast online. Make money with your computer with high-earning ebooks. Ebooks can be about almost any subject, but there are some that seem to outsell others. Probably the most popular types of ebooks are instructional. These teach certain skills or reveal secrets about different types of businesses. Some ebooks might teach how to become an accountant or paralegal, or how to sew a quilt. Some teach you how to cook, how to build a house, how to repair bikes, the list goes on. The ebooks you offer should be informative, creative, and simple to use and read. Other popular ebooks are those that teach how to start a home-based business online. These include techniques for SEO marketing, network marketing, web development, selling products and services online, and more. Web business owners enjoy reading these for personal goal setting and to learn how to build their business online to make money fast. Are you enjoying the video? Be sure to leave a like and share it with your friends. 2 ways to start an ebook home business. There are 2 ways to make money fast selling ebooks. 1. You can create your own ebooks based on your skills and knowledge. This requires some writing and HTML capabilities, or you can hire a ghostwriter and ebook creation company to do the work for you. Another way to sell ebooks is those that are created by others. You can sign on with some companies and receive many ebook titles to resell as a bonus. There are also companies that offer resale rights alone. Either way can be beneficial and save you time, so you can make money at home right away. One site we recommend you check out is IDPLR. IDPLR offers private label rights products, including ebooks, for you to resell. This saves a lot of time and money. Check out IDPLR in the description below. How to sell the ebooks. Finally, you'll need to know how and where to sell the ebooks to make money online. You can sell them through your own website or through online auctions, or both. When you create a website, you'll be able to control your promotional efforts and receive orders without paying them a commission. Auctions, however, can be a great place to get started and attract additional visitors to your site. Many people use both methods and are able to make money online with multiple streams of income. Whichever method you use, you'll need to target your audience through search engine marketing and keywords to reach those who might be interested in your ebooks. You can also sell ebooks by listing them in ebook directories. There are many directories set up similar to bookstores that will list the title and description of your ebook for free for a small fee. You'd be surprised at how many people use them as a resource to find helpful books. Ebooks give you an amazing opportunity to make money online without spending a fortune in startup costs. Find the ebook system that works for you today and make money now like never before. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also have these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.